Now let's shift our focus to optical disks and drives, a different approach to data storage. Optical storage uses lasers to read and write data by detecting changes in reflectivity on a spinning disk's surface. Common examples include CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs, widely used for software, movies, and music. Optical media is great for archival purposes and distribution, but capacity is limited, and disks can be easily scratched or damaged. Here are some visuals of optical disks and their drives, reminding us of their prominent role in media consumption. In conclusion, both magnetic and optical storage have played vital roles in the history of computing. From the spinning platters of HDDs to the laser-etched surfaces of Blu-rays, storage solutions continue to evolve. The constant drive for more efficient and capacious storage ensures an exciting future for data technology.